In this video, we're going to learn how to enable and disable clips, which means temporarily turning a clip off without deleting it from the timeline. When a clip is disabled, it does not play in the program monitor and its audio does not play either, but the clip still stays in your timeline and you can bring it back anytime. Let's start. First, select the clip on your timeline. Now right-click on the clip. From the menu, click on Enable. If the clip is currently enabled, clicking Enable will turn it off. You'll notice the clip becomes slightly faded or dimmed in the timeline. That means it is now disabled and will not play during playback. To turn it back on, right-click the same clip again and click Enable once more. The clip becomes active again and will play normally. This feature is very useful when you want to compare two shots, test different edits, or temporarily remove music or graphics without deleting anything. Enable and disable simply controls whether the clip plays. It does not affect trimming, timing, or export settings unless the clip is disabled during export. And that's it. You now know how to enable and disable clips properly in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.